In this problem, we need to find the interquartile range of the given data set. By the way, this is the formula to find the IQR. So quartile 3 minus quartile number 1. The first thing we will do here is we need to arrange the data set in increasing order from lowest to highest. So we have 50, 40, 42, 45 until 60. So the next thing that we will do is we will divide this into 2. So as you can see, here we have the first part, okay, and then here we have the second part. Now I leave the 50 in the middle. That's quartile number 2, by the way. That's quartile 2. So I leave that in the middle. So to find the quartile number 1, we just need to determine the average of this. And of course, quartile number 3 is the average of 55 and 58. So compute quartile 1 and quartile 3. For quartile 1, it's going to be 42 plus 45 divided by 2. So that's 43.5. And then for quartile 3, it's going to be 55 plus 58 divided by 2. So now that we have this 2, the last step that we will do is, of course, to subtract those 2. All right, so that's 56.5 minus 43.5. Quartile 3 minus quartile 1. And the answer is 13.